There she is, completed. Gorgeous. I'm loving it. Maybe we can see the ghost flames. Kind of. Stupid sun refraction. Let me sit on it. Maybe that'll help. Nope. Well, the ghost flames are there, I promise you. Such a light gray. Got the pipe wraps on. That spot in the middle there where the 3 bands are. There's a bolt on the other side that causes the pipes, where the 2 pipes come together to make the one. Oh, body. Me likey. Everything but that Honda tag up front. I like the one in the back. Don't like the one up front. Ever. Got the choke on. Just needs to be tuned. Those carbs just need tuning.
Yeah, it's not having too much of an issue with the overheating outside.
Yeah, I got her running. She don't overheat. Rad fan runs in nicely. You know what? You could probably put your plate on and take her out for a boogie. Two pipes out the one side. I like it. I'm going to pat myself on the back saying, good job, Josh. And there's a smiley face, the new owner.